ஓகே. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வந்துட்டு லியோ. ஓகே, இஸ் த மணி கம்மிங் இன் ஆர் நாட் அப்படின்ற ஒரு டாப்பிக்கில் வந்து வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு சி. ஒன் செகண்ட். மணி கம்மிங் இன் ஆர் நாட் அப்படின்றது. Okay, this is going to be the general reading. In case if does not resonate, please skip it. அதுக்கப்புறம் ஏன்னா இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் ரெசனேட் ஆகுதுன்னு வந்து சொல்ல முடியாது. ரெசனேட் ஆகலைன்னா நீங்கள் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிக்கலாம். அண்ட் இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு புக் அ பர்சனல் ஆர் ப்ரைவேட் ரீடிங் யூ கேன் book a reading with me. My WhatsApp number அப்புறம் என்னோட Instagram page is in the description box. You can book me through WhatsApp and personal readings are chargeable. Okay, நம்ம இப்போ வந்து பண்ணலாம். Leo. Is the money coming in for Leo? 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 You're very committed to your work. Yes, money is flowing. Everything seems to be pretty nice and then nothing seems to be, no, it's a warning sign, no, it's not going to happen. அந்த மாதிரி எதுவுமே வந்துட்டு I don't see that here. Okay, I see very 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 positive cards over here and it's like somebody would have started a new job or something or new journey, new beginning would have begun when it comes to money or something. And most of the people are manifesting and you have all the resources, all the materials, you're yet to start or everything is in your hands. You're going to bring in it or not, that is totally up to you. Okay, and I have got the Hierophant. It's totally absolutely, it's a very committed card. When you focus on your work, when you focus on everything related to work, definitely the money will be coming in. And I'm confused about the 3 cards. அதை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன அப்படின்றத நம்ம clarify பண்ணலாம். Okay, why the Queen of Cups is here? 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 Absolutely, everything is wonderful. It could be a bit challenging, very emotional. It's totally fulfillment. Okay, you seem to be happy. Money is not a great problem for you right now. I don't see any problem for you, Leo. Just you're resting and that's it I could see, but I don't see any major problem when it comes to money. Okay, and the Knight of Wands. And the Knight of Wands is here. Show me the 2 cards for clarification. Why the Knight of Wands is here? See, even if your money, if you have given to somebody else or something, it's definitely going to come back. If you're worrying about will the money will come back or not, or is it okay, it's definitely coming back to you. If you're asking me, it's definitely coming back to you. And yes, even the person who are not ready, who are ரொம்ப இழுத்தடிச்சிட்டே இருக்காங்க அப்படின்ற அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் கூட it's going to come in. It's definitely is on the way for you. Okay, why the Lovers is here? Why the Lovers is here? And it's definitely I see a lot of happiness. And the money vechittu you can if you are thinking to celebrate or if you have any functions in your home or not, if you are looking out for that money, yes, it's definitely going to come for you. Where's Lovers is here? Why the Lovers is here? I'm sure at least if not you will get the communication, or you'll be related to money. The communication is very fast, it's very fast, everything is happening. The actions at least இது வரைக்கும் ஒண்ணுமே ஆகாம இருந்தது கூட the actions will definitely take place when it's regarding to money. And you are bought in money, you are working money, you are running money, you are going to sleep in money, அந்த மாதிரியான ஒரு situations. அந்த மாதிரி தான் வந்து இங்கே வந்து என்னால் இங்கே பார்க்க முடியுது. ஓகே, ஸோ ஐ டோன்ட் சி மேஜர் ப்ராப்ளம் ஃபார் லியோ ஹியர். ஓகே, ஹைரோஃபண்ட் இஸ் அ ஹைரோஃபண்ட் இஸ் ஹியர். See, if you keep working on it, okay, when it comes to money, maybe you would feel a little bit money இருக்கு பட் அப்ஸ் அண்ட் டவுன்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் நீங்கள் பயப்படாமல் இருந்தாலே வந்து ரொம்ப போதுமான ஒரு விஷயம். இன்னொன்று வந்துட்டு பார்த்துட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா, if you're looking out for to tie up with someone else, to have a help with the third party or something, you can definitely take a help of third party situation, or you can engage with people whom you're going to, if you're starting in business. And teamwork is very much essential when you're working with either. So yes, I do see your money. If you work, definitely money is there for you. I won't say money is not on the உள்ள உங்களுக்கு மணியே கிடைக்காது, ப்ளீஸ் பி பேஷன்ஸ், அந்த மாதிரி சுச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் எங்கே கிடையாது. ஸோ இஃப் யூ ஒர்க் ஆன் இட் யூ வில் definitely get a money. Okay, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe. Thank you.